Hey there, I'm going to be doing the paper bag assignment, and in this bag right here is stuff that I'm passionate about and that I like. And first I have pennies. I have some old pennies that I like. I collect old pennies, and the dates on these are 1930, 1919, 1929, 1920, and 1917. The second item is a Let's Ride magnet. And I ride dirt bikes, and I'm passionate about dirt bikes. Next item is a rock climbing, it's like a finger massager for when you get cramps. And I love rock climbing now, after I took a class for it, and it's really fun actually. Fourth item is a Bluetooth speaker, because I love music. I have a fishing lure, because I like to fish a lot. A car, because I love cars. A knife, because I like collecting knives. Parents say, why do you need them? And I'm like, because I like them. Match, because I'm a pyro. A bullet that's been shot and I recovered it. And a amethyst rock, because I collect rocks. And that's my assignment.